everyone. Today, I've got a magical story to share with you, all about learning to move on and why it's important to focus on what we can do next. Once upon a time, in a colorful world filled with candy trees and chocolate rivers, there lived a little fox named Fizzy. Fizzy was playful and curious, but sometimes she made mistakes. One day, while playing near the marshmallow meadow, Fizzy accidentally knocked over a jar of sparkling stardust that belonged to Luna, the wise owl of the forest. The stardust scattered everywhere, shimmering in the sun but lost to the wind. Fizzy felt terrible. She tried to gather it back, but what was done was done. Seeing Fizzy's sadness, Luna flew down from her tree and said, "Don't worry, Fizzy. It's okay to make mistakes. What's important is what you choose to do next." Fizzy wiped her tears and thought hard. Then, with a bright idea, she decided to make Luna a new jar of stardust. She worked all day, collecting the shiniest leaves and the smallest dewdrops. By sunset, she had created something even more beautiful than before. When she gave the new jar to Luna, the wise owl smiled and said, "You see, Fizzy, sometimes things can't be unchanged, but we can always create new beginnings. What you did today, making something new out of a mistake, that's called moving on, and it's a very important lesson." Fizzy learned that day that what is done, and some things can't be changed once they're done. But she also learned that there's always a way to make things right by focusing on what we can do next. So remember, next time something doesn't go as planned, don't get too upset. Think about what you can do to make things better or how you can learn from it. That's how we grow and make our own magic in the world. Thanks for joining me on this magical adventure. See you next time with more fun stories and lessons. Bye!